I'm so nervous about my presentation tomorrow.
Don't worry, you'll do great. Break a leg.
Do you want to hang out this weekend?
I can't. I have exams coming up. It's time to hit the books.
I know something big happened. Spill the beans.
Okay. I got the job.
You look tired. Are you okay?
Not really. I'm feeling a bit under the weather today.
I love your new phone.
Thanks, but it cost me an arm and a leg.
I've been avoiding the dentist for months.
Time to bite the bullet and book that appointment.
Did you tell everyone about the surprise party?
No, it was Mike. He let the cat out of the bag.
Do you see your cousins often?
Not really. Only once in a blue moon.
Should I accept the job offer or not?
I gave you all the pros and cons. Now the ball is in your court.
Are you still working? It's midnight.
I know. I'm burning the midnight oil to finish this project.